In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Asana for free. Asana is a popular project management tool that helps teams collaborate and stay organized. Now, you may think that tools like this could be pricey, but today I'll guide you through the steps to access it for free, making it accessible for everyone from individuals to small teams. So let's dive right in. First, you need to visit the Asana website. Simply open your web browser and type in asana.com to get to their homepage. This is where you'll start your journey to utilizing Asana's robust project management capabilities without spending a dime. Once you're on the site, the next step is to create a free Asana account. If you don't have one already, you'll see a sign up or register button. Just click on it. Here you'll need to input your email address, create a password, and fill out any additional details that are requested. Asana sends a verification email, so ensure you verify your account to proceed. Asana offers a free plan called Asana Basic. Choose this plan, which while free includes a suite of features that are quite extensive. You'll have access to project management essentials such as task management, different view options like list and board, and basic integrations. This plan is perfect for individuals or small teams that want to streamline their tasks and optimize their workflows without any initial cost. Now here's an important note. The Asana Personal Plan, which is another term used for the Asana Basic, covers up to 10 users in your project space. So, if you're working with a small team or collaborators, you can include them under this free tier plan without any hiccups. Even within this free framework, you can manage projects, assign tasks, and tap into other essential features you need for basic project coordination. The limitations mainly come into play if you require more advanced features for larger teams or more complex project management needs. If you find yourself wanting to explore more of Asana's advanced features, you can opt for a free trial of the paid plans. This trial allows you to explore functionalities such as timeline views, advanced reporting, and more extensive integrations for a limited period. Post-trial, you can decide if you want to switch to a paid plan for more comprehensive usage or revert back to the free version. After you've set up and explored your account, click on the Continue button to finalize your setup. Log in as necessary to start organizing your projects and tasks effectively. With this access, you're now equipped to make the most of Asana's foundational offerings to boost productivity and enhance task management. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helps you take your project management game to the next level using Asana for free. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more such useful guides. See you in the next tutorial.